If you're planning to start your dropshipping store, this is the time to prepare. The November period when you have the Cyber Monday and Black Friday sale, that's the most important time. Get your store ready, launch your products, and start building your email list by probably running a contest or two so that hey, what's up? Namaskar. I haven't done a video in a long time for this channel, and I thought this is the right time to do this video and let you guys know that hey, अगर आप drop shipping करना चाहते हैं, if you're planning to start your drop shipping store, this is the time to prepare. I'm sure you must have heard of Cyber Monday and Black Friday sale in the US. अगर आप यूएस में ड्रॉप शिपिंग करना चाहते हैं, सो द नवंबर पीरियड व्हेन यू हैव द साइबर मंडे एंड ब्लैक फ्राइडे सेल, दैट्स द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टाइम बिकॉज पीपल and the consumers are willing to buy products at that particular point. There are discounts all around, and if you find the right products and if you use the right marketing strategy, you could start your dropshipping store with a bang. So this is the time to prepare. So make sure to get your store ready, launch your products, and start building your email list by probably running a contest or two so that when the Cyber Monday and Black Friday sale happens, you are ready to kill it and make a lot of money. So time to start your dropshipping store. Do the research, find the right products, and start building the list. I believe the Black Friday Cyber Monday sale is somewhere between November 24th to 28th. Check it out. The dates are on Google, but it's really close. So it's time to prepare. Start preparing. Get your store up and ready. Find your products, put them on the store, and start running ads, because although that's an amazing time to make a lot of sales, but the advertising cost also goes up because everybody is advertising. So you want to start running your promotions at least a week before the Cyber Monday and Black Friday sale so that you do not get caught up in all the traffic when everybody is spending a lot of money and the ad costs are really high. So prepare now and plan to launch your campaigns a week before the Black Friday sale, and that's why the black glasses. I hope you start doing the groundwork now so that next month you can start building your list and launching your ad campaigns just a week before the big day. Alright, so I'll make it a point to now post more videos consistently. Also keep updating about what am I doing with respect to my stores, what ad campaigns I am running and all the other stuff. So I will do my best to keep posting the videos consistently now on this channel. And if you already haven't subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And one last thing before I leave, I am launching my first book, which is 1 lakh formula, how to get high paying freelance clients as a digital marketer. So if you are planning to work as a digital marketer, I am dropping the link below in the description. Make sure to grab the book. It's absolutely free. You just need to pay the courier charges of $99. That's it, and the book will be delivered to you between October 10th and October 17th. And beyond that, you also get 3 amazing cool bonus gifts, which is again, the details are on the link, so just click on the link and grab the book. I'm sure you'll find a lot of value and you'll learn how to get high paying clients if you plan to work as a freelance digital marketer. Alright, so on that note, I'll talk to you soon.